Hey nail lovers, so here I'm just showing you my cute little light from Shein. This was so affordable. I think it was like $7.95 and it makes my whole entire room glow pink, which you'll see in a second. I do turn it off though because I feel like it's a little distracting. And this little nail room tour I will update in the future. I already have new stuff coming. So here's just another little overview of my whole entire desk from like far away with the light turned off. So everything looks super crisp and clean and white. Yeah, I really love everything I have. I love my desk. If anyone was wondering, it's from Fantastic Furniture and these drawers are from Kmart. So down there I just have my alcohol, acetone, soak off solution, and then at the top I just have like a nail board for like sets that I've done, and for inspo I can also show clients, you know, hey, so these are some sets that I have done. I've got like an alcohol bottle there. I have some cute pink nail stands, of course some lint-free wipes. I have these in heaps of different colors. Then this little kind of like caddy, and it has some like rhinestone nippers, an art pen, some purple sanding bands, some little slides from Sassy Nail Supplies, and then I've put Hello Kitty stickers all over it, and then I also popped a big Hello Kitty charm on the little drawer so it looks like a handle. And then in here I just have lint-free wipes again. On the sides of the drawers, which I really love about these Kmart drawers, I hang all of my swatches. So these ones are just all foils. These ones are just nail polishes, like just from random brands. But I love how they have the rails because you can hang these from there, which is awesome. Okay, first drawer is stamping and stencils. I just labeled these with a little label machine. So in here, I just have some nail art pens. I have a silicone stamping pad. I have heaps of different like stamping polishes, stamping gels. I also have some silicone stampers. I have a really large one, which you'll see me pick up in a second, and I absolutely love the large stamper, sorry. The smaller ones from NSI, and it has like little rhinestones in there. I also picked up these. They're hole punches, but one's a star and one's a heart. And then I have some stencils under there. And then, yeah, in here I just have all of my stamping plates. So yeah, that's pretty much what's in the first drawer. Okay, so in the next drawer, we just have some nail art things. So this is the Fimo fruit box from Sassy Nails and Supplies. You can use my code SassyMia to save if you shop. I also have like lots of metal embellishments in here. These cute little bells, I pulled off like a Christmas headband, and I thought that would be really cool as like a nail piercing attachment. I've got nail tape in here. I have more nail charms for piercings. I have this little tool that like bends the metal embellishments. I have like some butterflies, some chains, some crushed up shells, a piercing tool, so many goodies in here. So now we have Rhinestones and Gems. So in here, as you can see, I just have so many different rhinestones, all different colors, sizes. I have some gummy jelly. This one's from Enel Couture. It really holds rhinestones onto the nail. Then I have like some little like caviar type beads, a couple spare containers for rhinestones. And yeah, just loads of bling in this drawer. Next we have like stickers, decals and foils. So in here I have a lot of foils, as you can see, because I have so many foils, so they take up quite a few drawers. I also have some decals, just water decals. Also you'll see when I open this little folder, there is loads of nail stickers in here. So many, and even spare underneath there. Also some tweezers and scissors. In here are all my water decals. Again, more nail foils. This one is just filled with nail foils. That's some Aurora glass paper from Glitterblendz there. So pretty. Alright, next drawer is dedicated just to Glitterblendz, so you guys can shop Glitterblendz and use code SPARKLES15 to save. She has the most amazing glitters and she's coming out with so many new products, which is just so exciting, but filled with glitters. Next up, we just have spare nail supplies, so I have some nail brushes, sponges, things like that. So the next drawer is gel paint pots and pigments, so I have like stacks of pigments in here, loads of like gel pots, all different kinds. The next two drawers are just gel polish, because I have so much gel polish. So gel polish in that one, and then loads of gel polish in the next one. I'm addicted. So under here I just have my labeling machine and some containers, Australia Post stuff, and some spare supplies. Nothing too exciting. There's also like an armrest under there. In the top drawer I just have a folder, loads of different work things in the top drawer, really boring. Second drawer is like new ink for my printer, cardboard, paper, a tripod, lots of random stuff. Oh, my favorite nail polish collection so far is just Nail Couture, because look at this packaging, so cute. Have my little plant and my crystal, good vibes. I have these spare like little drawers I got from Kmart. Here I have embellishments, some Toy Story nails that I've done, all of my acrylic paints, my card holder, some brushes. Up here I just have like a little shelving system, which is so cute. You can put so many little goodies in there. That angel my mum gave to me, so it's special. And then we'll start up here. So there is some more business cards, because you can never have enough, although my logo has changed now. There's some cleanser, cuticle oil, a big diamond to hold to display nails on. Then we've got a drill, some hand sanitizer, some soft gel extension gel, so press on gel, some thank you cards, my beautiful metallic lamp, my hand is behind here as well. So here is my dust collector. How freaking cool is this? So it's a cute little card holder for your debit card, credit card, and you can put it into an ATM and then you can pull it out with no worries, because if you have extra long nails like me, then you feel me. In here I have my swatches. So these are amazing because I can just take photos, because I do make press-ons, send photos of all the swatches, the customer picks out what colors they want, and it's just easy. So I have 2 of those. Then I just have a whole heap of like random tips here, different shapes and lengths. Up here I just have a stapler, a nail polish bottle holder, blue tack, and I do have regular polish for my toes. In here, files, buffers, and other little tools. Cute little spinny thing. Here is my prep drawer. How cute is this little girl? Well, it is a little girl, but it's supposed to look like me. My friend Kira Lee got it for me. Also in the top drawer I have some sticky tabs, glue, alcohol pads, more business cards, instructions. This drawer is literally just cuticle sticks, nail files, and thank you stickers. And this one is just organza bags, cute little sparkly cardboard to put press-ons on, and some pens. So here is my apron. I love it because it's pink. I then have this little hand rest that I use when I'm using my iPad. This is a cute little brush holder my friend Shay got for me. This is the most gorgeous dap and dish ever from Glitterblendz. The one behind it is from NSI. Then I just have loads of rhinestones, my iPad Pro and a keyboard. It lights up rainbow, it's so cute. Then we have a soft gel lamp, some pom-poms and acrylic flowers, my little Lazy Susan with like nail polish and liners in here. And then I have these teeny tiny little cotton tips, which are really great for removing like mistakes made when you're doing character sets. We just have like a little pen. I keep other stuff in there. We have some Glitterblendz swatches, some more of those Kmart clear drawers. In here I just have like sized up nail tips, some files, a brush, buffers. This is all my ABS tips because I used to use ABS before soft gel tips came out, so I've got a lot of those. In here I just have a coffee warmer, some files, lots of random stuff. In here is all e-nail couture things, so cute. Here again, just random swatch sticks, power cords, containers. Here is my NSI drawer. You guys can use code MiaSparkles to save when you shop. Love their soft gel tips. I love their gels. Just amazing. Next drawer, all my acrylic stuff. So this is forms, tips, acrylic powders, dip powders, same, monomer, just lots of random stuff, anything to do with acrylic. The next one is just spare supplies. So I have spare nail art brushes, spare stickers, spare swatch rings for my nail polish bottles. Yep, more brushes, organza bags, just lots of spare goodies in there. In here we just have some manicure, little basins, some swatches, tweezers. Again, just like spare supplies. There's like pedicure stuff in there, soak off bowls, lots of stuff. In here we just have gel polish again and also Blossom inks. And then underneath my desk I have this, which you can put like stickers or whatever you want in these. It was like $15 from Kmart. So yeah guys, that is an overview of everything. I hope you enjoyed seeing this. Like I said, this will be updated in a few months. I have new drawers coming and I also have a new chair arriving next week. So I will probably update this soon. Bye.